Boys and girls, I'm going to take you behind the barn door to see horses. What's going on over here? What's all the banging? Oh, you want to say hi? Or do you want to just bang? Huh? What? What? I think that was 7 times. You counted to 7. Yes, you did. I think that was 7. You're really good looking, you know that? The boys and girls would like to see you. Hey, boys and girls, we match, don't we? Hi. The same outfit on, don't we? Red and black. Is that a soccer ball, boys and girls? He likes his ball. Boys and girls, that ball has food in it. Let's take a closer look. There it is. Isn't that smart? He has purple little booties on. Look at those booties, purple. It's my favorite color, purple. Rogue. Hi, Rogue. Boys and girls, this is Rogue. Rogue, and she's 6 years old, and she's a mare. That means she's female. And she's coming over. She's going to get a treat. I got her eye. Here's her treat right there.
Can you smile? Smile over here.
Let's smile for the boys and girls. Say hi, boys and girls.
You gotta smile. Smile. There.
Oh my gosh, look at that smile, boys and girls.
There you go.
Isn't that great? This is Rogue. Well, Rogue, the boys and girls are going to be giving you a big kiss. Yes, they are when they see your beautiful face. They will, yes, and there's his nose, her nose. Bye, over and out. Oh my gosh. Yes, thank you. Rogue, hi there. You're going to give us another big smile, huh? What's going on? You kick. You kicking the gate, huh? Kicking the gate? Still looking for some food, huh? Still looking? Huh, good looking? You're looking for food. Let me see those eyes and your ears. Look at the ears, boys and girls. Look how they're straight up. A year old, huh? You want to say hi to the boys and girls? Huh? They'd love to meet you. Why don't you give us a hee-hee-hee? Can you do that? Can you go hee-hee-hee? You're a youngster. Look, boys and girls, this is a young horse. Hi there, horsey. I see your new shoes. Oh, they're not new shoes. You just got them kind of filed down. Look how shiny they are, boys and girls. Now look at the shoes in the back. He needs those shined. See how they are kind of old and rough looking? And then the new one's right here. Woo! Do you like having your shoes done, huh? Do you like having your shoes done, huh?